The global economy, a complex web of interconnected systems constantly evolving, shaping and being shaped by the forces of our time. It is a delicate dance of supply and demand, innovation and tradition, cooperation and competition. In this intricate tapestry, certain nations stand out, titans of industry, commerce, and finance wielding influence that extends far beyond their borders. These economic powerhouses, with their unique strengths and challenges, play a pivotal role in shaping global trends, driving innovation, and influencing the geopolitical landscape. Understanding their dynamics is crucial to navigating the complexities of our interconnected world. Our journey begins in the United States, a nation synonymous with economic might. From the bustling streets of New York City, the financial nerve center of the world, to the sprawling tech campuses of Silicon Valley, the United States boasts a diverse and dynamic economy.
Its industries, ranging from aerospace and defense to entertainment and technology, continue to shape global trends. The spirit of American entrepreneurship, coupled with a culture of innovation, has fostered the growth of groundbreaking companies that have revolutionized the way we live, work, and interact with the world.
The United States remains a magnet for talent and investment, attracting the brightest minds and the most ambitious entrepreneurs from every corner of the globe. Its vast domestic market provides a fertile ground for businesses to scale and thrive, while its global reach extends American economic influence to every continent. However, the United States, like all economies, faces its share of challenges. Income inequality, political polarization, and the rise of protectionist sentiments pose threats to its long-term economic stability. Despite these challenges, the United States remains a dominant force in the global economy. Its capacity for innovation, its entrepreneurial spirit, and its unwavering commitment to research and development ensure that it will continue to shape the world for decades to come. The United States, with its economic might and global influence, serves as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the boundless potential of the human spirit. Our next destination takes us to the east, to the bustling cities and sprawling factories of China. Once a sleeping giant, China has emerged as an economic powerhouse, its transformation over the past few decades nothing short of remarkable. From its humble beginnings as a predominantly agrarian society, China has become the world's factory floor, its manufacturing prowess supplying goods to every corner of the globe. China's economic ascent has been fueled by a combination of factors, including a vast and increasingly skilled labor force, a relentless pursuit of technological advancement, and a government deeply committed to economic growth. Its embrace of globalization has opened up new markets for Chinese goods, while massive infrastructure projects have connected its vast interior to the global marketplace. China's rise has not been without its challenges. Concerns over intellectual property rights, environmental degradation, and human rights issues have tempered enthusiasm for its economic model. However, China's economic influence continues to grow, its reach extending far beyond its borders through massive investment projects in developing countries and its growing role in international institutions. China's Belt and Road Initiative, a modern-day Silk Road, aims to connect Asia, Africa, and Europe through a network of roads, railways, and pipelines, further solidifying China's position as a global economic leader. We journey now to the land of the rising sun, Japan, a nation that has long been synonymous with economic innovation and technological prowess. Despite facing demographic challenges, with a shrinking and aging population, Japan has maintained its position as a global economic powerhouse, its resilience a testament to its enduring strengths. Japan's economy is characterized by its technological sophistication, its highly skilled workforce, and its commitment to quality and precision. From automobiles and electronics to robotics and advanced materials, Japan has consistently been at the forefront of technological innovation. Its companies are renowned for their engineering excellence and their ability to produce high-quality, durable goods that are coveted by consumers worldwide. Japan's economic success is also rooted in its unique cultural values, which emphasize hard work, discipline, and a commitment to excellence. However, Japan faces significant challenges in the 21st century. Its aging population and low birth rate have led to a shrinking workforce, putting a strain on its social safety net and its economic dynamism. To maintain its economic competitiveness, Japan must find ways to boost innovation, attract foreign talent, and adapt to the changing demographics of its society. Our economic expedition now takes us to the heart of Europe, to Germany, a nation renowned for its industrial might, its engineering prowess, and its unwavering commitment to quality. As Europe's largest economy, Germany plays a pivotal role in shaping the continent's economic landscape and exerts significant influence on the global stage. Germany's economic strength is deeply rooted in its manufacturing sector, which produces a wide range of goods, from automobiles and machinery to chemicals and pharmaceuticals. German companies are renowned for their precision engineering, their commitment to innovation, and their ability to produce high-quality, durable products that are in high demand worldwide. Germany's economy is also characterized by its strong export orientation, with its goods and services highly sought after in global markets. Its commitment to free trade and its central role in the European Union have further strengthened its economic position. However, Germany, like other developed economies, faces challenges in the 21st century. The rise of protectionism, geopolitical instability, and the transition to a more sustainable digital economy pose significant challenges to its long-term economic prosperity. Despite these challenges, Germany's strong industrial base, its skilled workforce, and its commitment to innovation position it well to navigate the complexities of the global economy. Our journey now takes us to the Indian subcontinent, to India, a nation teeming with energy, ambition, and a youthful population eager to embrace the opportunities of the 21st century. India, with its vibrant democracy and its rapidly growing economy, is poised to become a major player on the global stage. India's economic transformation has been nothing short of remarkable. Once known for its traditional industries, India has emerged as a global hub for technology, software development, and pharmaceuticals. Its young and increasingly skilled workforce, coupled with its entrepreneurial spirit, has fueled the growth of a dynamic startup ecosystem that is attracting investment from around the world. India's economic rise has been further bolstered by its vast domestic market, which provides ample opportunities for businesses to scale and thrive. However, India faces significant challenges in its quest for economic dominance. Poverty, inequality, and inadequate infrastructure continue to hinder its progress, while bureaucratic hurdles and corruption can stifle innovation and discourage investment. Despite these challenges, India's economic trajectory remains positive. Its young population, its growing middle class, and its embrace of technology all point to a bright future for this emerging economic giant. India's journey is a testament to the power of human aspiration and the transformative potential of economic growth. Our exploration of economic titans now takes us to the United Kingdom, an island nation with a rich history of global trade, financial innovation, and industrial prowess. Despite facing challenges in recent years, the United Kingdom remains a major player on the global economic stage, its influence extending far beyond its shores. The United Kingdom's economy is characterized by its strong services sector, particularly in finance, insurance, and business services. London, its capital city, is a global financial hub, home to some of the world's leading banks, insurance companies, and investment firms. The United Kingdom also boasts a strong industrial base, particularly in aerospace, automotive, and pharmaceutical industries. Its universities are renowned for their research and development capabilities, attracting some of the brightest minds from around the world. The United Kingdom's economic future, however, is not without its uncertainties. The impact of Brexit, its departure from the European Union, on its economy remains to be fully seen, while global economic headwinds and geopolitical instability pose significant challenges. Despite these challenges, the United Kingdom's long history of innovation, its skilled workforce, and its global outlook suggest that it will remain a significant economic force in the years to come. Our journey continues to France, a nation renowned for its art de vivre, its culinary delights, and its unique blend of economic tradition and innovation. France, with its diverse economy and its commitment to social welfare, stands as a model for sustainable and inclusive economic growth. France's economy is characterized by its well-balanced structure, with strong contributions from manufacturing, agriculture, tourism, and services. Its luxury goods industry is world-renowned, with French fashion, cosmetics, and wines highly sought after by consumers worldwide. France is also a leader in aerospace, nuclear energy, and high-speed rail technology, showcasing its commitment to innovation and technological advancement. France's economic model emphasizes social welfare, with a strong safety net that provides its citizens with access to healthcare, education, and other essential services. However, France faces challenges in maintaining its economic competitiveness in a rapidly changing global landscape. High labor costs, bureaucratic hurdles, and a rigid labor market can stifle innovation and discourage investment. Despite these challenges, France's commitment to quality, its skilled workforce, and its strategic location at the heart of Europe ensure that it will remain a major economic player for years to come. Our exploration of economic powerhouses now takes us to Italy, a nation renowned for its rich history, its artistic heritage, and its contributions to the worlds of fashion, design, and cuisine. Italy, with its unique blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern innovation, continues to captivate the world with its style and sophistication. Italy's economy is characterized by its diverse industrial base, with significant contributions from manufacturing, fashion, tourism, and agriculture. Its automotive industry is renowned for its design and performance, while its fashion houses are synonymous with luxury and style. Italy is also a major producer of food and wine, its culinary traditions celebrated worldwide. Italy's economic strength lies in its small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, which are often family-owned and deeply rooted in their local communities. These businesses are known for their craftsmanship, their attention to detail, and their ability to adapt to changing market demands. However, Italy faces challenges in maintaining its economic competitiveness in the 21st century. Bureaucratic hurdles, corruption, and a lack of investment in research and development can stifle innovation and hinder growth. Despite these challenges, Italy's rich cultural heritage, its entrepreneurial spirit, and its commitment to quality ensure that it will remain an economic force to be reckoned with. Our journey now takes us north, to Canada, a vast and resource-rich nation with a reputation for stability, innovation, and a welcoming environment for businesses and investors. Canada, with its diverse economy and its commitment to sustainable development, is emerging as a global leader in the 21st century. Canada's economy is underpinned by its abundant natural resources, including oil, gas, timber, and minerals. Its energy sector is a major contributor to its economy, while its mining and forestry industries provide employment and revenue for communities across the country. In recent years, Canada has also emerged as a leader in technology and innovation, particularly in the fields of artificial intelligence, clean energy, and biotechnology. Its universities are renowned for their research and development capabilities, attracting top talent from around the world. Canada's economic strength is also rooted in its stable political system, its sound fiscal policies, and its commitment to free trade. Its close economic ties with the United States, its largest trading partner, provide it with access to a vast market and opportunities for collaboration. However, Canada faces challenges in diversifying its economy and reducing its reliance on natural resources, which are subject to price fluctuations and global demand. Despite these challenges, Canada's strong fundamentals, its commitment to innovation, and its strategic location position it well for continued economic success. Our final destination takes us to South America, to Brazil, a nation of vibrant culture, stunning natural beauty, and immense economic potential. Brazil, with its vast natural resources and its rapidly growing economy, is poised to become a major player on the global stage. Brazil's economy is characterized by its diverse industrial base, with significant contributions from agriculture, mining, manufacturing, and services.
It is the world's largest producer of coffee and sugarcane, and a major exporter of soybeans, iron ore, and other commodities. In recent years, Brazil has also made significant strides in developing its manufacturing and services sectors, attracting foreign investment and creating jobs. Brazil's economic rise has been fueled by a combination of factors, including its vast natural resources, its growing middle class, and its favorable demographics. Its young population and its increasing urbanization provide a large and growing market for goods and services, while its government has implemented policies aimed at promoting economic growth and reducing poverty. However, Brazil faces significant challenges in realizing its full economic potential. Inequality, corruption, and a lack of infrastructure continue to hinder its progress, while political instability and economic volatility can discourage investment. Despite these challenges, Brazil's immense potential, its entrepreneurial spirit, and its growing regional and global influence suggest that it will remain a major economic force in the 21st century.
As we've journeyed across the globe, we've encountered a diverse array of economies, each with its unique strengths, challenges, and contributions to the global economic tapestry. From the technological prowess of the United States and Japan to the manufacturing might of China and Germany, from the emerging economies of India and Brazil to the established powers of the United Kingdom and France, these economic titans shape global trends, drive innovation, and influence the geopolitical landscape. Their interconnectedness highlights the complex web of relationships that define our globalized world, where events in one corner of the globe can have ripple effects that are felt far and wide. Understanding the dynamics of these economies is crucial to navigating the complexities of our interconnected world. As we've seen, these economic powerhouses are not only shaping global economic trends, but they are also influencing global politics, culture, and the very fabric of our lives. From the products we consume to the technologies we use, from the jobs we hold to the future we envision, the decisions made in these economic centers of power have a profound impact on us all. It is our collective responsibility to engage with these global forces, to understand their complexities, and to work towards a more equitable and sustainable future for all.